On February 13, 1945, the Allies launched one of World War II's most contentious air raids, targeting Dresden, Germany. The city, known for its cultural significance and architectural beauty, faced a devastating firestorm. Over 3 days, British and American forces dropped thousands of tons of explosives and incendiary bombs, aiming to cripple German military capabilities. However, the high civilian casualties and the destruction of Dresden's historic center sparked debates on the raid's necessity and morality. With casualties estimated in the tens of thousands, the bombing of Dresden remains a deeply controversial act, raising questions about wartime conduct and the cost of victory. This pivotal moment in history invites reflection on the complexities of war and its far-reaching impacts. Subscribe for more.